congratulations, okay? So, warm up first, obviously, if you're going to attempt this. So, tip number one, similar to my other video, I was talking about them building how to make our chest boxes bigger. We need to stretch. So you need fluidity and strength in your body, so strengthening and stretching. So let's just do, I'll just show you one of the stretches that we can do, which is this one. So I take this is my right leg, maybe your left, I'll put that behind. Same arm is going to reach forward, and create space first, and then going to come up, and then over and stretch, and lengthen down here, put the tummy and chest lifted, shoulders down, and please breathe. Okay, so hold it for 4. Obviously you want to hold it a little bit longer than this, but because this is quick tips, I am going quickly. So, bring the arm down, let's change sides. So, bring your other leg behind, caress the air, come up and over, stretch, find freedom and space in your movements, and hold. Pull the tummy in, your stretches here. Hold it for 4, 3, make sure you're not sticking your bottom out, 2, 1, and release. Okay, so that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is to work on your obliques in particular. So my second tip is to do what I call oblique lifts, which is really isolating the obliques and lifting the hip from the obliques, which is basically what we do, right? So here, we lift one leg off the floor, and this is really good for your obliques actually. So stay here and balance, and then go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So now, I challenge you to do this when you turn this video off or when it finishes. Stay here for 1 minute on one leg, and then do the 1 minute on the other leg. See if you can do it, okay? This muscle's contracting. Okay, let's change legs to the other side. Balance, so keep this leg bent. Make sure this isn't happening, okay? Keep the toe facing the floor and knee still. It's this muscle here, it's your obliques. Up, down, up, down. So we're isolating it, making it stronger. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. So again, when you finish, don't put on a song. Do 1 minute on each side so you can do it. Challenging your core and your balance as well as working and isolating specifically here. So when we get to do hip drops and hip lifts later on, we actually can be stronger. So back into hip lifts and hip drops. On one side, lift the chest, posture, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Breathe. Control the body, but breathe, so no tension. 4, 3, and of course, go and do both hips. Must go and do both hips. Okay, so thank you for watching. Check out my website, BellyDance.com. Come and dance with me in person, or take my classes with me online from anywhere in the world, any way you like. All of my classes are available, and we learn new moves each week, and we build on them, and we grow, and we develop, and we have loads of fun. So, BellyDance.com. Thank you, and goodbye.